then we'll give you the next one. I'm standing here on behalf of the larger Odinga family, but we are starting with the Raila's family for eulogizing. So, Junior, where are you? Thank you.
Josurwa, Amoso u, Jokanyanyam, Amoso u, Nikwa Ramogi, Wuntie, Kamano, Ingan City Boy. So, Wangi Weloma dignitaries. So, but for now, allow me to continue the rest of my speech in English. Gimodwarani Wachung, let's just take a moment of silence for our late patriots. So, if you could all just stand up for one moment of silence. Kogalo. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, welcome to Bondo. 001, watu wa Pwani, Karibuni County 041. I think everyone has seen the past 3 days. We have brought Baba's body home. I've traveled with Baba's body halfway around the world from India. It came home. You all watched through the expressway, Kasarani Stadium, Nyayo Stadium. We flew to Kisumu, and now, finally, Baba is home. And for that reason, I would like to say a very big thank you, Erokamano, to His Excellency, President William Ruto, and the entire government of Kenya, and the people of this great nation of Kenya. Wawachni William Erokamano Achel. Erokamano William. Wadi. Erokamano William. You can see me here. I'm dressed in white because I feel the past 3 days we have mourned Baba, we have cried for Baba. I myself have been very exhausted, but I've stood strong. Nikech, I know that's what Baba would have wanted. And today, we're not mourning, we are celebrating a life well lived. We are celebrating Baba at 80. Because Baba lived and he lived his life throughout. So the rest of us, tonight we are celebrating Baba and his legacy. Before I continue, just allow me to invite one person up on stage. My sweetheart, my beautiful, my lovely Chungwa. Someone who understands me. Nyaber, Nyamalo. Wave to them, sweetheart. Erokamano. I'm sure you all understand who Baba's immediate family is. Those or his children rather. Those my late brother Fidel, followed by Rosemary, followed by myself, and then there's Winnie. But we also have Baba's grandchildren. Unfortunately, I cannot see them right now, but I'll mention to you their names. There is Safi Odinga. Then there is Alai Odinga. Then there is Senai Odinga. And then there is Lion Amolo Odinga. And lastly, Wangi Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. And that is the grandchildren, Majakom. I'd like the former staff, Ma Baba, wherever you are, if you could just stand up. I know I wouldn't have time to mention all of you, but if I see you, I know Ntie Bagi, Ntie Dennis, there is Juma, there is Wanamondo. There are so many of them. And for me, what I want to say is thank you to the former staff of Baba for taking care of Baba and for just being around us and the family. Ntie Ogeta, Ntie Juma. So you know who you guys are, and I'd like to say thank you to all of you. Erokamano. I want to finish. Mara, in the spirit of Baba, I want to say Erokamano. Because Baba gave all of us his life. Today is to say thank you back to Baba from all of us. So, refrain kawono and Erokamano Baba. Whatever one time. Erokamano Baba. No akawinju. Erokamano Baba. Okay. For Baba, you gave all of us your life. You stayed with us and you showed us how to live a good life. And for that, we are extremely thankful. Erokamano Baba. Baba, you left us with your vitandawilis. We will miss them. We'll miss your fun, your joy, your laughter, and we'll greatly miss you and all the dancing styles that you used to have. Erokamano Baba. You taught all of us the Constitution and how to be lawyers and to follow and stand for what we know. I'm stammering like Baba. Erokamano Baba. And lastly, I know Baba is smiling because he's given us so many holidays, and now he has given us Easter in October. So for that we are thankful. Erokamano Baba. I'd like, as I've finished, I'd like to introduce or call one person up to stage. A lot of us were jealous about her because she was Baba's best friend. She was Baba's confidant, secretary, PA, doctor. So please join hands. She's one of the toughest women I've ever met.